Welcome to the Motorhome Diaries 2.
Yeah, in the stove, on the corner of my road.
So all these motorhomes on the front.
Yeah, I could've took the boat.
Welcome to my office.
Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Yeah, always on the road, I never home. Got a couple bands on my own. Now they really calling up my phone. Now they really wish that I was home.
So in today's Motorhome Diaries, we're going to give a shout out to a YouTube creator. We're going to answer a comment from last week's vlog, and we're going to show you where we live. Welcome to my office. We're actually based on a holiday caravan park in Wem, Shropshire. What am I doing after?
Well, it's statues by the looks of it.
We're actually based in Wem, Shropshire on a caravan holiday park. But before we carry on, I'll show you where we live. I want to give a good shout out to Shane with WeBuyAnyMotorCaravan.com. He has actually got a YouTube channel, and he's actually the first person who actually got me into doing these YouTube videos and inspired me to do the vlogs and everything else. So go check him out. He's a good guy. He knows more about motorhomes than I've actually forgot. He knows more about motorhomes than I.
He's forgotten more about motorhomes than I know.
And he's got a wealth of knowledge of motorhomes. So go check him out and have a look, see what he's all about. So as you come onto the holiday park, you can see the car park, and you can see the first part of our pitch where we can have about 8 motorhomes there. And I do like to have a mixture of old ones and new ones to show all the different selection that we've got. So all these motorhomes on the front have all been to the garage, checked mechanically, and they've all been checked interior wise on the habitation. So all these vans here are all ready to go. So on top of the shed, as you can see, we have solar. And what we do with the solar is we link all the motorhomes up on the front. So as you can see, they're all going to the vehicle batteries, keeping them topped up so we know they start first time. So this is our compound. With the compound, it's when we use it for when motorhomes that we brought in before we do anything with them, or when they've sold and they're waiting to go out. We have a wash bay where we wash all the vans off. And as you can see at the moment, we've got no motorhomes in the compound. It's because what we're doing is we've had all the trees chopped down. And the reason being, they were overhanging over onto the vans, and we were forever having to clean them. And this is our main sales area that holds over 20 vans. But at the moment, we're having the trees felled because the ivy is killing them. And while the work's being carried out on the main pitch, this is where we've had to put 20 plus vans. Plus we've got another half a dozen at the garage as well, so we do like to keep about 40 vans in stock at any one time. Comments. Please put some comments below of vlogs that you want to see, questions that you want us to answer, anything that you want, any videos that you want that you'd like us to make. Because without your comments we can't really move forward. So shall we do a comment, Kev?
Yeah, we've got a comment from Paul Mal. Sorry about that, Paul. But you're there. Yeah. Okay.
Oh. Okay, Kev. What is it?
Paul's asking. He likes our blogs, and to start with on the questions, I think most people buying or new to motorhomes will be asking about the build quality, and hopefully we can tackle this, as we must see difference as they come through our hands.
You did that in one go.
Not bad, you know.
Good question. I think there's a vlog there, Kev, don't you think?
I think so, yeah, because you know, there's all different things that come into the build quality.
Yeah, to be honest, I don't think you really appreciate a van until you've actually checked it off. You know, when we've sold it and the van's ready to go out, and then we have to check it off, making sure everything's working. That's when you appreciate how good a van is, through the cupboards, accessibility as well.
What do you mean by that? Accessibility?
With accessibility, it's how easy is it to get at something when it needs to be fixed, like the pump or getting at the burner units, getting at the various things. And I think the longevity of a van is, if it's easy to fix, the longer it's going to last. If it's going to if it's hard to fix, then people will let things slip, and that's where the longevity of a van comes into, basically.
Can we show something like that?
Yeah, go on, here, I've got an example. Let me show you this. 2 motorhomes.
And the goat.
Auto trail. Ace. 2 different types. Now here are the fridge vents for the Ace. And here are the fridge vents for the Auto Trail. Right, let me take the vent off for the fridge. Burner unit, can you see it? See how easy it is to get at if there's a problem. It's an easy place for us to work at. So let's go and have a look at the Ace. Right, let's take the fridge vent off the Ace.
Where's the burner unit?
This is what I'm on about with accessibility, Kev. It's actually right down here. So if you get a problem with the burner unit, you've really got to take the fridge out to be able to get access to it. And that's what I mean by accessibility.
And also build quality, really.
Yeah. So now you know what I mean by accessibility. As far as makes and models, anything German, Börsner, Heimer, Deathless, all good quality builds. And then you've got other ones such as Adra, Chasson, who are doing some really good vans at the moment. And then down to the British ones where Auto Cruise, Auto Sleeper, Auto Trail all do good quality build vans. Swift, and then what else is it?
You've got your cheaper ones like your Remors and your Roller Team, which are a good value vehicle, but
yeah, they
obviously
yeah.
It reflects in the build quality.
I do find, especially the German vans, accessibility, they actually make them with in mind that somewhere down the line they are going to break, so let's make it easy for the lads to actually fix them. And I don't know, you find that a lot of the foreign ones, like...
Yeah, you've got to be a contortionist.
Well, yeah, like as you've just seen. So yeah, I think we'll do a vlog on this to just show people the different build qualities.
Yeah, water heaters are a pain to get to sometimes.
There you go. We could go on forever, Kev, the company.
Yeah, they build the vans around the water heater.
Next week's vlog, what we're going to do, Kev?
Right, Eric Lacey, he likes our weekly videos and sound a really great idea. He says, how about looking at lower price vans and what to expect for the money, then working through the price range. Oh, by the way, for the bloke on the ladder, he's off today.
Well, he's fell off.
No, it's his day off.
That's good. We can do 10 grand vans, 15, 20 grand vans, 30 grand vans. That'll give us an idea. Give people an idea, won't it, really?
Yeah, and what to budget for.
And what you're going to get for your money.
Yeah.
So if it's the first time watching, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the like button and please leave some comments or ask some questions that what you want answering. If you want to shout out as a YouTube creator, because we're all a community, again, leave a comment and we'll see you next time.